Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we're giving you a tour of the Pinnacle. This is going to be a 28 floor building, and as you can see, it is moving. The development is actually going to be 4 towers at 28 floors, and each tower will be the tallest building in Jamaica and also the tallest building in the English speaking Caribbean. However, it won't be the tallest building in Jamaica for very long because ground was broken for the Moon Palace Hotel out in Reading, Reading, also in Montego Bay, basically out by Lilliput in Montego Bay. And they're going to be building a 32 floor building that's going to be the tallest hotel in Jamaica and will be the tallest building in Jamaica and the Caribbean. But they just broke ground, so this building will reach 28 floors probably by the end of the year at the rate at which they are moving, and will hold the title as tallest building in Jamaica until the Moon Palace reaches 28 floors. Alright, so this development is going to be 4 towers as we said, and this is where they're going to build the other towers. And behind us is the Reading Peninsula. Very nice view. So the towers, the first tower is going to be the Swallowtail, which is a residential tower. The second tower is going to be the Canary. The third tower will be the Hummingbird, and the fourth tower will be the Phoenix. All the towers named after birds. And one of these towers will operate as a hotel. That's why they don't allow Airbnb to the units to be operated as Airbnb, because there's going to be a hotel as a part of this development. It's also going to have a 15-slip marina for yachts, a 5-story members only club, and a mall at the front. So this is what you call a luxury development in Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.